Hey everybody, you've got Nikki and Daddy matching as always. Well, not as always, but often. Matchy. So, why are we here? Our third character is here, and it is Goofy, and we haven't seen what he looks like. So before we open up any cubes, let's check out how Goofy looks in all of his rarities. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you really ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look at Donald, how cute. Okay. All right, so there's Goofy. He's got a baseball bat. He looks cool, right? In typical kind of Goofy clothing. Baseball and a baseball bat. You should like this because you love baseball. Oh, good. All right. And there he is. And I'll tell you, these like 90s themes are not always my favorite, but I like him. I think they did a good job with him, and he looks silly in blue. Mm-hmm. What do you think? You like him?
Yeah.
And now, Legendary. Yeah, see, and you don't always love the Legendaries, right? The neon look, but you like him?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He almost kind of has that Ultra Girl space look to him a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And look at the bat. The bat's cool.
Yeah.
And now... Wow. Look, the baseball's all crystally. The bat looks great. The bottom of the bat.
Oh, look.
I know. You always... Yep.
Right there.
Right here. Mm-hmm. You always look for the non-crystal part. And what else? I see two other things.
His teeth.
Yep. And always, as always, the eyes. Right? But yeah, his teeth are the other good one in that. And now... Ah, there you go. Look at the bat with the stars on it. Look at his shoes, just like hers. So, oh, he doesn't wear shoes, right? So they all have yellow, starry feet. Very cool. And his yellow tongue.
Whoa, the ball's cool.
Yeah, the baseball's really cool. It's like metallic looking almost. That's awesome. Okay, cool. Well, let's see which one of these are in our backpack. All right. Step one, pick a cube.
Eyes closed. Both eyes closed.
I don't know when you're done. Any day now.
Now.
Where are you?
I'm
right there. Okay. Number 3 it is. Go ahead. Do your thing. Let's see how you start off. Well, as always, right? This is new, so it's going to be a new character. So it's a one opening day. There you go. And... starts over the rare. Hey, you know what? I think he's our first rare of these characters, isn't he?
No.
He sure is. Of this wave, he is our first.
Oh.
Ah! Okay, look at the way he's looking in the packaging.
Oh, I'm so bad.
He is Goofy, isn't he? Hey, 923, pretty good. All right, well, start off, of course, it was something new. Nice to have a rare. It's the only rare that we have. I'm glad there's at least one in the collection. Awesome. All right, well, then we'll be back with more tomorrow. Bye, everybody.